Just get my video ready. So today we're trying this. I know y'all have seen this. I know y'all have seen this little, I know y'all have seen this thing, okay? So it's like a heated brush, which like now that I look at the design of it, the design is so simple, but it's a heated brush. My hair is like, it's almost a week old at this point, but I want to use it on my ends to like flip them out, and then I'm gonna like brush, like do a sleek little, and then like have the ends flipped up. I want to see how that'll look on me. I saw this picture of Sky Jackson the other day, which like, hey cousin, it's your cousin? Anyways, because my last name is Jackson. I saw a picture of her the other day and it just looked so pretty. Whoever does her hair and makeup always, like, they love her. When I see celebrities, when their hair and makeup just looks snatched up, like, you know their glam team really loves them. So anyways, I wanted to try this out and see what it was about. Let me show TikTok, hold on. Okay. So the one I bought, and I did buy it on TikTok Shop. This is my first ever TikTok Shop purchase. It's the Wavy Talk Heated Round Brush for super smoothing curls and volumizing hair. It has a ceramic barrel, dual voltage, fast heating, damage free. I don't know about that, I can't tell you. And thermally insulated tip so you can hold this up top. What does it say on the back? Oh, it has some cautions, some rules that apply. Don't touch the heated part. I hope y'all aren't doing that. Don't use on wet hair. Don't use while bathing. To me, that's saying something if they had to write this on here. Do not use this appliance if it has a twisted, bent, or otherwise damaged cord. This appliance is intended for household use only. I would hope y'all know all of that. I also low-key feel like Wavy Talk has reached out to me before and I just like never replied to them. So it has 2 heat settings. It has 1 and 2. So I'm gonna go with 1 because my hair is dirty. And I've told y'all before, like I try not to put like heat on my hair while it's dirty. But for the purposes of this video, and also I just like was not risking it doing my hair with like when my hair is like freshly washed. Although if I feel like this turns out good or bad, maybe I will try it on freshly washed hair. Part my hair in 2. Also, if you like this makeup tutorial, it might be live on their channel already. I do a lot of tutorials for Subtle Beauty, the makeup brand, and it might be live on their YouTube already. If it is, I'll link it down below for you guys. So the one thing that I noticed is like it has, oh, I can feel the heat radiating off of it already. This little button right here, it releases this barrel. So you can interchange different barrels. Like I think they have one that comes with multiple different barrels. I just got the one with this. Oh, he should have got the other one though. Let's just try it, like, cause this end of my hair is not super oily. You see how it's still shaking, moving. So I'm just gonna do this and see like what happens. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. So first I'm just gonna take this first section of hair, and my hair is already low-key kind of doing the flip, but okay. Now see, the thing is like if you try to wrap too much hair at once, I feel like it will it's gonna like snag or pull. It's just not gonna be comfortable, I feel like, on your hair. Oh, did y'all see that cloud of smoke that hopped off of this thing? It was hot. Okay. All right, so the hair is flipped up. So I'm gonna take the roller. The hair is still warm. Okay, like that. And I'm just doing big sections. No, I did not spray any heat protectant on here before one of UX. Ooh. All right, we getting somewhere. I've also never styled my hair like this, so I don't know if this is the correct way to style it to like get the flip, but that's what I'm doing. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna just have to hope for the best, honestly. So I'm doing 2 on each side and then 1 in the back. Also, I've had a couple of people, I think like you guys like follow me from last year or whatever, or start following me last year and like you like just found my videos again or whatever. People asking me like, oh, did your hair even grow, or like your hair looks the same length as it was last year. I can promise y'all my hair is not the same length, and I could get why you would be disturbed by that, because you'd be like, girl, you talking all this mess about like do this, do that, like so your hair retains length and in the summertime wear protective styles and blah blah. I get it. My hair is so much longer than it was last year. Like, I'm not just saying that like my hair is way longer than it was last year. So I feel like on my wash days, especially when my hair is freshly curled, it doesn't look like that, because you know curls, like it's shrinkage, you know, but it's definitely longer, guys. And then some people, I can tell you just like you're trying to be cute. Trying to be cute. That's not cute. Okay. All right, so I have these in. I don't mind that this piece isn't curled, because this is probably going to be going tucked back behind my ears anyway. So I'm gonna leave these in for a little bit, and then I'll take them out. I'll show y'all. So it's time to take out our what am I trying to say? Rollers. And are we not looking like Mrs. Whovier? What's that lady's name? Y'all know who I'm talking about from the Grinch. Ooh, it's so cute. And immediately, do not ask me how long these last, because I'm about to get in the bed. I'm about to wrap my hair and get in the bed. So I don't know how long these are gonna last. I would assume if you want like your curl, any curl of any type, and you're like using a pin curl or a roller to set it, leave it in for longer than that, because I literally left it in for like 10 minutes. I tried to keep it in for a long time, but I couldn't. Okay, show TikTok. I'm using a little bit of my Shine Jam. Oh y'all, I thought I was not recording. I was about to have a little moment. As a creator, that's like your worst, like the worst thing. Like if you're not filming while you're doing like an important part, like me taking the curls down. That turned out so cute. I like it. I do think the back is probably not as curled, but I can't really see it. Also, I feel like this is like a really good alternative for like if you have somewhere to be and you need to quickly do your hair. Maybe you have like a silk press or something and you just don't have time to wash your hair or whatever. This is a really quick style. Yes, you're applying heat to your hair or whatever, but sometimes, you know, you need a little something to make it shake. Okay, this is a really good little tool to like bump those ends outward really fast and have a cute little do. I think that's so cute. I actually have somewhere to go tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and I'm not washing my hair until Saturday, so I might do this style again for my little thing that I'm going to. But this is so nice. Okay, it's a go. I like that. I just wanted to try it because I had not seen nobody black use it, and I was like, I need to. Oh, TikTok, we're done with you. I hadn't seen anybody black use it, and I was like, I want to know if it actually like works on our hair too, which I didn't understand like why I didn't see a lot of black people using it, but my brown girls, go buy it.